Have you ever found yourself questioning the dietary choices that have shaped your health journey? What if there was a paradigm shift waiting to be explored, offering new insights and possibilities for optimal well-being? Join us on a thought-provoking exploration as we embark on a journey from a plant-based past to ancestral eating, a personal health revolution that has transformed lives and perspectives. In today's fast-paced world, the landscape of nutrition and wellness is ever-evolving, presenting a myriad of options and approaches to achieving optimal health. But amidst the abundance of dietary trends and fads, how do we discern what truly nourishes our bodies and fosters vitality from within? Could ancestral eating, a return to the dietary patterns of our ancestors, hold the key to unlocking our full health potential? As we delve into this intriguing topic, we'll explore the motivations behind transitioning from a plant-based diet to ancestral eating. What prompted this shift in perspective? And what discoveries were made along the way? Through personal anecdotes and reflections, we'll uncover the transformative power of ancestral eating and its profound impact on health and well-being. But our journey doesn't end there. Throughout this video, we'll examine the principles of ancestral eating, compare them to conventional dietary approaches, and shed light on the practical implications for everyday life. By the end of our exploration, you'll gain new insights into the potential of ancestral eating to revolutionize your health and transform your relationship with food. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and wellness transformation, hit that subscribe button and join us on this enlightening quest for optimal health through ancestral eating, plant-based past. The journey begins. In the beginning, the allure of a plant-based diet beckoned with promises of vitality and ethical consumption. Motivated by compassion for animals and environmental concerns, many embraced this dietary paradigm, believing it to be the epitome of health and ethical living. For some, the transition to a plant-based lifestyle brought newfound energy and well-being, while others encountered challenges navigating nutrient deficiencies and culinary limitations. Despite the hurdles, the journey was marked by a sense of purpose and conviction, fueled by the belief in making a positive impact on the planet and personal health. However, as time passed, questions arose, prompting a re-evaluation of dietary choices and a quest for a more holistic approach to nourishment and wellness. The shift to ancestral eating. Amidst the journey of plant-based living, whispers of ancestral eating began to resonate. A return to the dietary wisdom of our forebears. Curiosity piqued, prompting exploration of traditional dietary practices and the principles of ancestral health. Influenced by compelling research and ancestral wisdom, a paradigm shift unfolded, heralding the adoption of ancestral eating principles. This transition was not merely a change in diet, but a profound shift in perspective, a recognition of the interconnectedness between food, culture, and human evolution. Embracing ancestral eating meant honoring the wisdom of our ancestors, rekindling a relationship with whole, nutrient-dense foods, and prioritizing the holistic health of mind, body, and spirit. Thus, a new chapter in the health journey began, one rooted in tradition, wisdom, and the timeless rhythms of nature. Exploring ancestral eating. Delving deeper into ancestral eating unveils a treasure trove of wisdom passed down through generations. It's about reconnecting with the foods that sustained our ancestors. Whole, unprocessed foods abundant in nutrients and vitality. Ancestral eating emphasizes the consumption of nutrient-dense foods such as lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, while avoiding processed foods and refined sugars. This approach honors the body's evolutionary needs, promoting optimal health and vitality. Beyond mere sustenance, ancestral eating embodies a holistic lifestyle rooted in mindful eating, connection to nature, and gratitude for the nourishment it provides. By embracing ancestral eating principles, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, rediscovering the profound connection between food, culture, and our innate well-being. Personal health revolution. Embracing ancestral eating sparked a profound transformation, a personal health revolution unlike any other. It was a journey of self-discovery, as newfound energy, vitality, and clarity permeated every aspect of life. Say goodbye to the roller coaster of energy crashes and cravings. Ancestral eating brought stability and nourishment to body and mind. This revolution extended beyond the physical realm, igniting a renewed sense of purpose and connection to the rhythms of nature. With each nutrient-dense bite, the body thrived and the spirit soared. Ancestral eating became more than a dietary choice. It was a way of life, a testament to the power of ancient wisdom in modern times. As we conclude this journey from a plant-based past to ancestral eating, we invite you to reflect on the profound impact of embracing ancestral wisdom in your own life. The transition to ancestral eating is not just about changing what we eat. It's about reclaiming our connection to the earth, honoring the wisdom of our ancestors, and nourishing our bodies and spirits in a holistic way. We hope this exploration has inspired you to embark on your own personal health revolution, transforming your relationship with food and wellness. If you've enjoyed this video and want to join us on further adventures in health and wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, let's continue to explore the pathways to optimal health and vitality.